In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup Mind Map. Whether you're looking to brainstorm ideas, outline projects, or visualize connections between tasks, the Clickup Mind Map is a versatile tool designed to help you capture and organize your thoughts efficiently. First, you want to log into your Clickup account and navigate to the space or folder where you'd like to create a mind map. If you haven't already set up these organizational structures, consider your long-term project goals and organize your tasks accordingly. This will help you maintain clarity and prevent any unnecessary clutter as you build your map. Once you're settled within your desired space or folder, look for the View menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and in the drop-down menu that appears, select Add View. You'll see various view options, but here we're interested in the Mind Map view, so go ahead and click on that choice. After selecting the Mind Map view, you'll be prompted to either create a new mind map or to link it to existing tasks. Today, let's focus on building a fresh map. Click the option to create a new mind map. Naming your mind map is an important step as it provides context and ensures that you can easily find and reference it later, so give your map a meaningful name. You'll now find yourself in the Mind Map interface. You'll notice an empty node at the center of the screen. This is your starting point, or root node, from which all other nodes will branch out. Click on this central node to name it, representing the main idea or topic of your mind map. It could be anything from project titles to abstract concepts you wish to explore further. The next step involves adding branches to expand on your main idea. Hover over the central node and click on the small plus icon that appears. This action allows you to type in related ideas or tasks, creating additional nodes that stem from the central theme. Keep repeating this process, adding more branches to develop a well-rounded view of the topic. Remember, a mind map is flexible. You can always rearrange nodes or adjust their hierarchy as your understanding grows. If at any point you want to change the appearance of your mind map, Clickup offers various customization options. These include color coding branches and adjusting the layout to better suit your viewing preferences. Spend a few moments experimenting with these features to find a style that enhances clarity for you and anyone else who might view the map. Once you are satisfied with your layout, be sure to save your work. Clickup usually auto-saves, but it never hurts to double-check. Lastly, if this mind map involves collaboration, share it with your team members to gather their insights. This adds a collaborative dimension, allowing others to contribute ideas and expand on the initial foundation you've built.